Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an IMDb account online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. All right, on your mobile device, open up any web browser. You can even do this on PC or laptop. Head on over to IMDb and then click on IMDb, do a Google search or go to imdb.com. And now from here, you want to click onto sign in, top right hand corner of your page here. And then from here, you want to click on create a new account, kind of near the bottom here. So I'm going to click onto that. And now what you want to do is put in your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. So I'll go ahead and fill out this form here and then get back to you. All right, I filled out the credentials here. And now I'm going to click on create your IMDb account. All right, and then you'll come to this page here where you need to verify your email address in order to continue. So head on over to the email account where they've sent the one-time password and then put in your one-time password here. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, I'm inside my email account here. So IMDb user registration. I'm going to click into that. And here's a 6-digit code here that I want to copy. So I'm going to click and hold that down. Click on copy. And now I'm going to head back to the IMDb website. I'm back here, and I'm going to paste this code in, and then click on create your IMDb account. And there you go, guys. I have successfully created my IMDb account. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Please consider to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you found it was helpful.